we have got the workbook where we have the balance sheet, income statement and cash flow statements of Dean Foods Company. For this company, if we want to calculate the current ratio, then we need the information from these financial statements. To do that, a worksheet called LQCR, this is a short name. LQ is for liquidity ratio and CR is for current ratio. So current ratio is one type of liquidity ratio, and the formula of current ratio is current assets divided by current liabilities. Current assets and current liabilities, both of these two can be extracted from the balance sheet of the company. Let us identify the current assets and current liabilities of this company. For the year 2018, the current asset is in the cell B9, whereas the current liabilities, total current liabilities is in the cell B18. Okay, and for the year 2017, it is just in the corresponding cell. In the new worksheet called LQCR, we can easily calculate the current ratio for the year 2018 and then copy the formula in the adjacent cell for the 2017 year. Let us do that for 2018 first. So let us type the formula equal, then go to the BS worksheet, click current asset cell divided by, click the cell that contains total current liabilities. Now press the return key, enter. So we have got the result. The current ratio of Dean Foods in the year 2018 is 1.30. Now we do not have to repeat typing the formula for the year 2017 because we have all the figures just in the adjacent cell for the year 2017. So let me copy the formula and paste it here. Another way is to just drag from the corner to the adjacent cell and we'll get the same result. So we can see that the current ratio of this company in 2017 was 1.52, which is 1.30 in the year 2018. Thank you very much.